Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to install app from App Store without Apple ID password. Let's start the video. So friends, as you can see, it's asking for the Apple ID password. Now let's fix this issue. Open the settings menu on your iOS device. Scroll down and click screen time. Now click on content and privacy restrictions. Here click on iTunes and App Store purchase. Here select don't require. Now go back to settings menu. Scroll up and click on your iCloud. Now scroll down and click on media and purchase and then click on password settings. Here make sure required password is disabled. Now go back to the App Store and try to download the app and check if the app downloads without Apple ID password or not. So friends, as you can see that the app is downloading without Apple ID password.